Ready to transform your help desk into a powerhouse of efficiency and customer satisfaction with a killer Jira Service Management dashboard. Let's begin. Start by navigating to the Dashboard section. It's usually in the left-hand menu. Click on it to start creating our custom dashboard. Now, click the Create Dashboard button. This will prompt you to name your dashboard and choose Access Settings. You can view and edit the dashboard. Give your dashboard a descriptive name, like Help Desk Performance Overview. Ensure the access settings are appropriate for your team. Next, it's time to add gadgets. These are the building blocks of your dashboard. A menu allows you to select a variety of gadgets for different purposes. Add some essential gadgets to track important metrics. Let's add a created versus resolved issues chart. Select this gadget and configure its settings. Define the project you want to analyze and the time period you're interested in. Perhaps you want this to show the last 30 days. Then, add a time to resolution gadget. Configure it to track average resolution times. After adding your gadgets, you now have to organize them. Arrange the gadgets on your dashboard to provide a clear, easy to understand overview. Drag and drop the gadgets, resizing them as needed to best present the information. And there you have it. You've successfully built a functional Jira Service Management dashboard. Continuously monitor these metrics, adjust and refine your dashboard based on your team's needs, and watch your resolution times shrink and customer satisfaction soar.